my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I love online shopping. I mean, I really enjoy the art of online shopping. But recently I did a video where I went thrift shopping out in the world, and I was refreshed and remembered just how fantastic secondhand shopping is, not only for my pocketbook, but also for the environment in general. So I committed in my heart of hearts to do more of that. But I hate leaving the house and I hate going thrift shopping because most of the time the stores are so huge and you have to sort through so much stuff. So it just doesn't seem very practical for me, which is why I am so excited that I found ThredUp. I've heard about it for a while now, but I actually downloaded the app and checked it out. And now this video here is being sponsored by the ThredUp team themselves. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I'm really, really excited to be doing this with you. So if you don't know, ThredUp is the world's largest online thrift shop. The world's largest. That's insane, okay? And they offer up to 90% off some of your favorite brands. I have been overpaying for way too long. So teaming up with them today not only feels like I won the lottery, but it's also exciting for you guys because they are offering 30% off if you use the code Lisbug. Just click on the link below, use the code Lisbug at checkout and get your 30% off. Woo! Before I break into the insane amount of stuff that I got that I'm so excited about, I did want to tell you that they have an app, and I'm just gonna like take you on into my phone with me so I can show you how it works. Because they are the world's largest online thrift shop, the world's largest. I was a little bit overwhelmed by all of this. I was afraid it was gonna be hard to sort through like some other websites, but sure enough, ThredUp, you smart cookies, you. They have a really good system that helps you like sort through all the stuff. You can do it by the brand, by the color, by the price, so on and so forth. It really does make it easy, especially if you like to drink wine while shopping. This is kind of wino proof, so thank you. All right, so I am totally anxious to break this open, so I'm just gonna get to it and try it on as we go. So let's do this, friends. Also, I need to hurry and take this shirt off because I think I'm embarrassing myself. Okay, wow. First of all, I opened the boxes and everything's packaged really nicely. But secondly, I think I did an awesome job ordering because everything looks so cute. And the first outfit I put on fits me like a glove, and I am ecstatic because I actually needed some clothes for a trip that I'm headed out on. So here's the first outfit. I am obsessed with these pants. These are Gap jeans. Let me just do a turn for you because I'm feeling myself. They literally fit me perfectly. You know how hard it is to find jeans that fit you perfectly? They fit me perfectly. So the estimated original price of these jeans were $70, but I got them for $18.99, baby. Also, this hurts. But also, like, not mad about it. So I am keeping these. I love these. These are my new go-to. I was in desperate need of a dark pant, so this is cute. Also, obsessed with this shirt. I'm into collars, I'm into frilly, girly things. This is Free People, one of my favorite brands. This is the extra small. I think I did a good job. I don't know if I would pair these together necessarily, but I'm like not really super mad about the combo. Whatever, this shirt is perfect. The estimated original price was $128, which, listen, I mean, this is cute, but I would never spend that much money on it. I got it for $29. I'm killing this game. Even if like nothing else works, I'm pretty stoked about this find. So let's keep going. Okay, so obsessed with this top I'm about to show you, but I decided to keep the jeans on from the last one because I thought this actually looks super cute together. Oh yeah, I would probably put a, I probably should put like a black bandeau under, or at least a black bra, but this is so cute. I am obsessed with this brand called Aqua. If you're not familiar, I don't know if they're exclusive to Bloomingdale's. Before I checked out on ThredUp, I realized that they had a whole load of Aqua stuff, so I went a little bit crazy, this being one of the items, and I just really, really like this. This is so cute. The estimated original price on this was $95. Baby, I got it for $21.99. And what a deal. I will wear this a lot. All right, let's keep going. I don't want to brag, but I feel like I'm really good at this. If you guys like follow me or have been following me for a while, I'm terrible at online shopping. Like, I love it, but I usually end up like getting items that look weird and terrible on me. However, I am killing it with ThredUp. Ladies and gentlemen, how dainty and sweet is this? I just put this little bow in because I want to look like a 12-year-old. This is so cute. Also an aqua dress. Originally estimated at $190, which like cute, but not that cute. But I got it for $39.99. And fellows, that's cute. I would even in the winter maybe do like some black leggings and some boots, but I love a long sleeve dress. I like this print. I love everything about this. I am feeling it. Is this JoJo Siwa of me or Lucy Boynton? Boynton? The chick from Politician that I'm obsessed with. That's the look I'm going for, even though like JoJo is so cute, but if I try to look like JoJo, that would be embarrassing. Okay, maybe not. I'm just moving the bow around in every outfit from here on out. Hi, this is another adorable pic. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Listen, I can't fake this excitement. If you shop, especially online, but even just like going into the stores and trying on clothes, it is rare that things work out. You know what I mean? You've seen my videos before. I find this process sometimes very depressing, but I am scoring. And yes, this is a sponsored video, but they did say if things didn't fit to mention how great the return policy is, which it is, and I love that. And if you guys have watched my videos before, I'm pretty adamant about only shopping at places that have good return policies. But I so far don't have to return anything. I love this. Most of the stuff I got seems to be in blacks and grays because I'm boring, but this is such a fun top. And here's the best part. This is from American Eagle Outfitters. Estimated original price is $40, but I got this puppy for $11.99. And it adds perfect color to a very monochromatic palette that I have here behind me. Again, I am going on a trip tomorrow, but by the time this goes up, I'll have already been there, but I needed outfits and I was panicked because I didn't have time to shop today. So here it is. I am bringing this with me. This is so cute. All right, I think we have one more thing to try. Okay, so last but not least was the item that I like threw in at the last minute because I just thought it was so darling. I don't actually know this brand. It's called Monki, M-O-N-K-I. The original estimated price was $24, but I got this cute little thing for $10.99 and I want you to see it. Oh, little thing. Oh, just a little Christmas elf. I'm just a little Christmas elf. You might think this is absurd, but I don't care. This is a jumper, a onesie, a romper, whatever you want to call it. I think I would actually probably pair this with like a long sleeve turtleneck situation underneath. Can't reach. For instance, something like this, right? Like that underneath this would have been a cute idea. I should have thought about that. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you get the point. I think it's cute. You might think it's absurd, but I don't care. That's what style is all about, is wearing stuff that you feel cute in. And I feel like, especially for the upcoming holiday season, I could definitely get away with this. This is a green velour. Look at my hair. So anyways, that's it. I feel like this was a huge success. I'm super impressed by this company and I will certainly shop with them again. This is way more fun and way easier than going into the actual thrift store, so thank you for that. Again, if you guys want to try ThredUp and receive 30% off your first order, click on the link below and use the code Lisbug and enjoy. Make sure to tag me in any pictures if you find cute outfits. I'm always inspired by what you guys are wearing. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I certainly do, and I feel like I have a whole new wardrobe, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Thanks for watching. Thank you ThredUp for sponsoring. You guys are great, and stick around. I have another fun fashion video coming next week. See you then. Bye. I mean, come on. If this doesn't look like a Christmas card, I don't know what does.